Hey guys, so I have been asked by some viewers what are some great tips and things to do for luncheons and repasses and supporting families with food and love after they've suffered a loss. So I'm not sure how I'm supposed to know about food. I'm not a master chef or anything, and I don't really do that part of things, but I reached out to my friend Southern Sassy Mama on YouTube, and she has created a video for 5 comfort foods that you can support a family with or that you can make for yourself. And one of the recipes, because I've been asked, man, I need something easy to do. One of her recipes is a 3-ingredient recipe you can get at Dollar Tree. Like, who knew? And so just to show how easy this recipe is for anyone, I have my little helpers here today. So I figured if my kids can make it, you know it's easy. So they're gonna make and follow the instruction from Southern Sassy Mama's YouTube channel. They're gonna watch her video and follow right along to make her recipe. So guys, the premise of this is that all you need is 3 ingredients from your Dollar Tree. A box of yellow cake mix, whichever the brand may be. Our local happen to have Pillsbury. You need half a cup of butter, margarine, whatever they may have there. And then you need a can of pie filling. I know that Southern Sassy Mama used cherry. I was hoping there'd be blueberry at our store, but we had apple pie. So we're gonna make an apple cobbler. 3 ingredients from Dollar Tree. Here we go. Trying out our new treat, and it's super tasty, super simple. You get kind of a cake taste to it, but also that fruity cobbler, so it's really good. Super simple too. 3 ingredients, all from Dollar Tree. You could get them also at your local grocery store. Throw together a treat to take over to a family member or friend that's maybe lost somebody, if they have friends or family coming in. If it's your turn to bring something to a luncheon, super simple to throw together. You can double it. You can do different flavors. So many options to this. Head on over to Southern Sassy Mama and make sure you check out her full recipe there. You know, one thing that, like right now I want a cup of coffee. As you guys know, I drink the coffee. And this is such a great idea. A couple weeks after maybe someone's had a funeral for their loved one and you want to check in on them and see how they're doing, call, set a coffee date with them. They have the coffee ready. You bring a nice warm cobbler and you can sit and talk and catch up with them over a nice dessert and a cup of coffee, and it can be a nice comforting moment. So keep those things in mind. Check out the recipe over at the other channel, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.